Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. And today we are going to study GK, and we will study GK in this week. And just let's come to page number 15, lesson number 10, and check our answers. Okay. Now the chapter name is expert knowledge. Over here we have to guess the certain people who are good in certain fields. Like over here the first answer for this one is Charles Dickens, Abul Fazl and Premchand. Now these are all authors. The second one is Vasco da Gama, James Cook, Columbus. They are explorers. Third one is Albert Einstein, Galileo, Madame Curie. They all were scientists. Dhirubhai Ambani, Azim Premji, Ratan Tata. They are industrialists. Fifth, Tagore, Wordsworth, R.L. Stevenson. They are poets. They write poems. Rashid Khan, Virat Kohli, Joe Root are cricketers. Ajit Singh, Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal are singers. 8th, Charlie Chaplin, Mahmood, Johnny Lever. They are all comedians. 9th one, Yash Chopra, Karan Johar, Mani Ratnam. They all are film directors who make films. Abraham Lincoln, Barack Obama, Donald Trump. These are the American president. Okay. Pele, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. These are all footballers. 12th, M.F. Hussain, Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci. They were painters. 13. Naushad, A.R. Rahman, R.D. Burman. They are music directors. 14th. Roger Federer, Leander Paes, Novak Djokovic. Tennis players. They are tennis players. 15th, Akshay Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan and Ajay Devgan. They are actors. Now coming to the next chapter, that is Bush to Cup. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to study about the production of tea and how tea is produced. The early morning tea that we drink at our homes, how it is grown and how the plants are grown and how it is being all the processes, how that tea goes through all the processes we are going to study in this chapter. And the following headings you can see: plant grow, plucking, withering, rolling, oxidation, drying, tea testing and sorting and packaging. These are the steps that are followed to make tea, good quality tea. Now tea is the most common drink in India and in many parts of the world. Now, tea is considered as a most common drink. We can drink tea anywhere. Like we can find in kilometers, just we can find a stall of tea. So we can drink tea very easily, and it is a very popular drink and a common drink in the many parts of India. Now, come let us read the journey of tea from the bush to the cup. Now we will study the journey of tea from the bushes to the cup. First one is plant grow. Tea gardens or tea estates are places where tea plants are grown. Now these are the gardens in which tea plants grow. Plants are placed in rows approximately 1 meter apart. Now plants are placed in rows and the distance between them is 1 meter. A tea bush grows approximately 1 meter apart. A tea bush may happily produce good tea for 50 to 70 years, but after 50 years the plant yield will reduce. Now a tea tree can produce produce tea for 50 to 70 years, but after 50 years what happens? The yielding of tea is reduced. Okay, the next step is plucking, torna. Plucking of tea depends upon the climate. During the growing season, leaves can be plucked at 7 to 12 days. Now, plucking depends on the climate of the area, and they can during the growing season of leaf, in 7 to 12 days we can pluck the, in the interval of 7 to 12 days we can pluck the leaves. Tea pluckers learn to recognize the exact moment at which the bush should be removed. Now, there are tea pluckers specialists who pluck the tea from the tea plant, so they can recognize exactly at what time they should remove the bush from the plant. The tender tea leaves are plucked to produce the finest tea. Now, the tender leaves are plucked to make the finest tea. After plucking, leaves are transported to factories for processing, and after plucking, the tea leaves are transported to the factories for the another process. Okay, now the next process is withering. The objective of withering is to reduce the moisture of in tea leaf by up to 70%. Now, in this process what happens, it is a method to reduce the moisture. It is method to reduce moisture from the leaves, from the tea leaves. Tea leaves are laid on a wire mesh and air is passed through to remove the moisture. As you can see over here, they are laid on the wire mesh and then they pass through the and air passes through them, which reduces the water level or the moisture level in the leaves. The next point is rolling. Now, tea leaves are placed into a rolling machine. This action creates a twisted, wiry look in the tea leaves. Now, you must have seen the wiry look. Now, they are not like, we can't see the shape of a leaf. Okay, we see some kind of wiry shape in the leaves of in the tea when we get in the packet. So they are done by the process of, this is done by the process of rolling. Now the leaves are also broken up, and in this method only the leaves are broken up into small segments. Next is oxidation. Once rolling is complete, the tea is laid out on tables whereby the juices inside the tea leaves come into the contact with the air and starts to oxidize. In this process what happens, in the rolling, when the rolling is completed, the tea is laid down on a table, and then the juices inside the tea leaves are when they come in contact with the air, the leaves start becoming dark brown color from the green color to the dark brown color. Now the tea leaves changes its color from green to dark brown. Okay, later they change from green to dark brown after the oxidation process. The next is drying. To stop the oxidizing process, the tea is passed through hot dryer. This reduces the total moisture content down by 3%. Now, to stop the process of oxidizing, what they do, they pass it through the hot dryer, which is a process called as drying, and that in that process the moisture is again reduced by 3%. Next, tea tasting. Small samples of tea are first tasted by expert tea tasters. Now, when the tea is being like goes through all these processes, tea tasters are there who taste the tea. They are the expert who taste the tea, and then they check the quality, they check the flavor of the tea, they check the color of the tea, and when approved, tea is then ready to be sorted into the grades for packaging, and then they tell the owners that now you can pack these tea leaves and can sell them or start to give it in the supply. They can supply it in the market. Now, sorting and packaging. Sorting or grading is the final stage in the tea process. Now, this is the final stage, that is grading the tea, like A grade, B grade, C grade. Now, A grade is the best quality tea, B grade is little not so good quality of a tea, so they grade the tea. Tea is sorted according to size, quality, flavor and color. Two popular varieties of tea are black tea and green tea. Now there are two popular varieties, the one is black tea and the other one is green tea. Tea is finally packed in wooden chest and supplied to the market. Now they are then packed and then they are supplied to the markets. Okay, now you have to complete this exercise after, as I have given the explanation, so you can easily do this exercise. And over here in the clue box you can see the answers also. You have to connect the answers with the questions and then you can find the clues with the answers and then you can find the answers too. Okay class, coming to the next page, that is the logo watch. Now over here, lesson number 12, logo watch. Now in this chapter you can see the logos of different companies. Okay, like this one, I think it's the most simplest one. Everyone knows that these are related to some mobile companies. Okay, so they are in this chapter. There are some brands that are related to footwear, some are related to some electronics like refrigerators, some are related to sim, motorcycles, car, some are related to like beauty products, life insurance and computer software. So you have to find out the names of the different companies or that are related to these logos. Okay, and the next chapter is lesson number 13, that is the gender game. Now in this chapter you have to write the answers or the gender of the given question. Now the over here, like the male of hen, the male of hen is very easy, as we all know that male of hen is cock. So like this you have to do this page by yourself in your books. Okay beta, everyone, so just do it and send me the homework on my WhatsApp. Thank you class.